Hello and welcome to the ForexOcean.com Skills Academy, your trusted platform for professional and practical Forex trading education. My name is Evie, a profitable Forex trader over millions of profit record. Whether you're an absolute beginner or someone looking to strengthen your trading foundation, you're in the right place. This is the introductory session 1 of our comprehensive program. And today, we're laying the groundwork for your journey as a confident and strategic Forex trader. What to expect in this lecture? In this introductory session, we'll guide you through 5 foundational pillars of Forex trading. 1. Introduction to Forex trading. We'll begin by understanding what Forex trading actually is. What is the Forex market? How does it operate 24 hours a day? Across major financial centers like London, New York, Tokyo, and Sydney? Why is it the most liquid and accessible financial market in the world? Who are the key players? From central banks and institutions to retail traders like you? You'll learn how currencies are traded in pairs, what drives exchange rates, and how to read basic price quotes. 2. How to analyze the market. Next, we'll explore market analysis, the skill every trader must master. You'll discover the 3 primary methods traders use to understand and anticipate market behavior. Technical analysis, interpreting charts and price patterns. Fundamental analysis, studying economic indicators and global events. Sentiment analysis, gauging trader psychology and market mood. This overview will help you build a framework for making informed trading decisions. 3. What is technical analysis? In this segment, we'll take a deeper look at technical analysis. What are candlestick charts, trend lines, and chart patterns? How do traders use support and resistance levels? What are technical indicators like moving averages, RSI, and MACD? And how do they provide insight into potential price moves? We'll explain how technical analysis isn't just about lines on a chart. It's about identifying opportunities and managing risk with precision. 4. Introduction to fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis helps traders understand why markets move. Here, we'll cover the impact of economic indicators like interest rates, inflation, and employment reports, how central banks influence currency values, why geopolitical news and global events can create volatility and opportunity. By understanding the economic forces behind price movements, you'll learn to trade with a deeper perspective. 5. What is sentiment analysis? Lastly, we'll introduce sentiment analysis, the art of measuring market psychology. How do fear and greed affect trader behavior? What are tools like the commitment of traders, COT, report and sentiment indicators? Why does understanding crowd behavior help you stay ahead of major moves? This type of analysis can give you a unique edge, helping you recognize when the market is overly bullish, overly bearish, or ready to reverse. By the end of this lecture, you will understand the Forex market's structure and significance, be introduced to the core methods of market analysis, gain a strategic overview that prepares you for deeper learning in upcoming sessions. This is your first step toward becoming an informed and empowered trader. Remember, the more you learn, the more you earn. So stay focused, take notes, and let's continue this exciting journey together. Stay for Lecture 1.